everyone, Melissa here, KREations, coming on today to share some happy I've been packing, and I got most of my craft room all packed up. You never know how much you got till it's time to move, unfortunately. So I'll probably be trying to get rid of a lot of paper. When I say I have a lot of 6x6, oh my gosh, I had some stored away too. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? How much 6x6 papers do one person need? So anyways, I got to get rid of some stuff. All right. Anyway, so let's jump into this happy mail. And if you can see, that is from Lady KRE from KREations. Thank you so much, Lady KRE. Look at this. She decorates everything so cute. Like I've said before, I mean, she's on it. Thanks so much. This is my second time doing the take. All right. So anyways, we're going to get into the package. And look at that. It is so cute. All right. Let's show you everything that's in here. All right. So anyways, let's get into this card. Oh my gosh. Isn't that adorable? Now I have a pair of flip-flops, not quite like this, but they're small like this, and really have never used them. I've made some stuff out of them, never made anything. But this is so perfect to put it on a 3x3 card. I don't know why I never thought about that. So perfect. So thanks so much for inspiring me, Lady KRE, because that is gorgeous. And then this is how the inside looks. It says, Melissa, sending you a little joy. That is her favorite word. Happy 4th of July. Love you, Lady KRE, 7/2021. And I love, love, love this. Look at that. Oh, just absolutely adore it. I mean, she pays such attention to detail. It is amazing. There we go. And if you hear a little noise in the background, it's just my daughter and grandsons. Just kind of ignored. All right, let's get into this. All right, first off, I had inquired how she had, where she had gotten these little gems from here to put on the back of the flowers that she had made, and I thought that was so creative. And she said she had a little bit to spare. I want to say she got it from Nurse Tara's shop, which I, excuse me, which I still need to go over and purchase some. But it will probably be after I'm all set and moved in to the other place. So, but anyways, look at this. I was so happy she sent some to me. Thank you so much, Lady KRE. And then look at this. She must have put a sticker on top of that. And it has a little bit of a metallic shine to it. That is so cute, so creative. And then also, here goes this. And she put an anchor on there, knowing that I love nautical. Absolutely love it. And that is just too cute. Just so cute. And then it says happiness enclosed. And then she has some little enamel dots on there. And then she even put a little sticker on the back side. I mean, just so creative. I love this bag here. Okay. And then in the inside, oops, like I said, I've seen this second take. She also put this in here. Rejoice always, pray continually. 1 Thessalonians 5:16 through 18. I mean through 17. I love this, and I can always use this because I have books and I'm able to read at my job. All right, and then look at this. I mean, it is so cute, so creative. Look at all those little gems in there. Oh. Look at that. A star, a flag. I mean, just so many little things. I mean, you just keep looking and you're going to keep finding. I love this. And then she added 4th of July on there. Just absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful work. And then if once I take this out, I'll still keep that card and reseal it back up with my fuse tool. But I love this. Absolutely love it. All right. And so I will leave her link down below. Make sure you go over and follow Lady KRE. She does amazing work. She is one of my favorite crafters, and I love her dearly. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. I really, really, really appreciate this more than you know. You have a blessed and crafty day. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.